Clean lines, zero drag, and a cockpit that thinks with you. Ready to take the sky?
Lead to fleet, holding course 315. Keep spacing tight.
Copy, lead. Sun's coming up over the layers. Looks clear ahead.
Let's give her a little climb. Follow my roll.
I just spent 3 hours watching AI-generated videos of people living their dream lives, and I couldn't stop scrolling. Not because the content was amazing, but because each person had become the perfect version of themselves. This is Sora 2, and it's not just creating videos, it's rewiring how humanity sees itself. And stick around until the end, because I have one exclusive Sora 2 invite code to give away to whoever comes up with the most unique creation idea. Look at these creations. Someone conducting a symphony orchestra, another giving a TED Talk to thousands, someone surfing massive waves. Each took less than 2 minutes to create. Here's what's possible. Imagine yourself as an astronaut discovering alien landscapes, planting flags on new planets. The prompt: astronaut discovering alien world. Heroic mood. Cinematic space exploration. Your brain files this as an achievement, even though it's artificial. Sora 2 launched September 30th from OpenAI, and everyone's calling it the ChatGPT moment for video. But here's what nobody's discussing. This isn't just creating content, it's creating a better version of yourself. Here's how you can access it. If you're on iPhone, just search Sora by OpenAI in the App Store and download it. No Android app yet, but don't worry. You can still use Sora right from your browser at sora.com. Right now, creating videos needs either a ChatGPT Plus or Pro plan, or an invite code, and those are still limited as Sora 2 rolls out. But access is expanding fast, so stay tuned. Once you're in, you'll land on the main feed where you can swipe through stunning AI videos, just like scrolling any social app, but made entirely by AI. When people look in mirrors, they see flaws and imperfections. But when they create their AI cameo in Sora 2, they see themselves as the hero of every story. Perfectly lit, always confident, always succeeding. It's Instagram filters for your entire existence. The app hit #1 while invite only because it taps into something primal, our desire to be the main character. Psychologically, that's incredibly powerful. The cameo feature is where the real magic happens. Users record 15 seconds of themselves, and suddenly they can star in any scenario imaginable. People are creating content they'd never experience. Floating in zero gravity, surfing massive waves, giving confident presentations, achieving athletic feats. What's fascinating is how this affects self-perception. Users report that after creating videos where they appear successful and confident, they actually start feeling more confident in real life. Even Sam Altman seems addicted to his digital self. He's created more content of himself this week than most influencers create in months, appearing as everything from a cat to Gollum, obsessing over GPUs. Sora 2 is designed like a social platform, but with a twist. Instead of comparing yourself to others, you're comparing reality to an AI-perfected version of yourself. Every scroll shows your amazing AI creations or others living digital fantasies. It's dopamine on steroids because you're not just consuming content, you're starring in it. The interface is brilliantly simple. Describe your dream scenario and watch it come to life. No complex settings, no barriers. It's like having a genie for visual wishes. And that simplicity makes it incredibly addictive. For social anxiety, people create scenarios like charismatic speaker delivering powerful messages to engaged audiences, natural confidence, inspiring presence. Seeing yourself succeed socially can genuinely reduce real-world anxiety. The results are psychologically fascinating. People watch themselves give confident presentations and report feeling more capable of actually doing it. It's like seeing a future version of yourself you want to become. The physics simulation is so accurate that brains accept these scenarios as plausible memories. Water behaves correctly. Movements look natural. Lighting feels real. Your subconscious doesn't distinguish between experienced and observed. It files these as things I've done. This isn't just entertainment, it's psychological conditioning. Every video where someone sees themselves succeeding reinforces neural pathways associated with confidence. It's visualization therapy disguised as social media. Creative professionals make incredible visualizations. Master chef gracefully cooking in floating kitchens surrounded by glowing ingredients, cinematic lighting, magical atmosphere. Even if you've never cooked professionally, seeing yourself as a culinary master affects your confidence with creativity. Artists visualize creative success. Talented artist creating masterpieces in sunlit studios, paint flowing gracefully, surrounded by inspiring artwork. It's visualization therapy helping them connect with their identity as successful artist. The future implications. Here's what's mind-bending. We're moving toward a world where people's digital selves might be more accomplished than their real selves. When you can create unlimited content of yourself succeeding, why focus on limitations? Users tend to be more willing to take risks because they've seen themselves succeed in so many scenarios. It's like having a highlight reel of a life you haven't lived, but your brain treats it as evidence of your capabilities. The technology democratizes not just video creation, but confidence itself. Anyone can see themselves as successful and accomplished. That's psychologically powerful, even if artificial. Now, everything I've shared in this video isn't necessarily fact. It's simply my small attempt to show how people could use this technology in a positive way. Like every powerful tool, Sora 2 has both a bright and a dark side. It all depends on how we choose to use it. So, be mindful, be creative, and be wise. Because the real impact of AI lies not in what it can do, but in what we decide to do with it. A small public service message. The behavioral patterns. What's emerging is fascinating. People create aspirational content of themselves, achieving goals they're working toward. It's becoming digital vision boarding. The most popular categories aren't fantasy scenarios, but realistic achievements, presentations, exercise, travel, art creation. People use AI to rehearse success before attempting it in reality. Now here's where it gets exciting. I have one exclusive Sora 2 invite code to give away to someone who will create something truly meaningful. In the comments below, describe the most unique, psychologically powerful video you would create with Sora 2. Don't just say superhero or celebrity. Think deeper. What scenario would genuinely impact your confidence, help overcome a fear, or visualize a meaningful goal? You have 48 hours from when this video goes live. I'll announce the winner in a community post. What psychological effects do you think this technology will have on society? Will seeing ourselves succeed artificially make us more confident, or create unrealistic expectations? Subscribe for more deep dives. The question isn't whether this technology will change us, it's how we'll use it to become the best versions of ourselves. Good luck with your entries!